An unseasonal heatwave shattered previous records across the country, with central Seoul reaching a sweltering 29.4 degrees Celsius, its highest mid-April temperature since modern observations began in 1907.
때이른 초여름 더위로 전국 곳곳에서 최고 기온 기록들이 경신된 가운데 서울 중심부의 경우 낮 최고 기온이 29.4도까지 오르면서 4월 중순 기준으로는 1907년 기상관측 이래 가장 높은 수치를 나타냈습니다. Sunday did feel very warm indeed. In fact, pretty hot.
Yes, and certainly Sunday, just after lunch, was when it was the hottest, 1:41 p.m.
Exactly.
When it hit that 29.4 degrees.
The data came out yesterday, right?
Yes. It's not the highest temperature reported over April for Seoul, but it's the third highest, and it's certainly the highest for mid-April. So,
which is from the 11th to the 20th, I believe.
Exactly. So, yes, it's always going to get hotter, but to be so hot this early is quite astonishing. We had records broken in Dongducheon and in Paju as well. Dongducheon got up to 30.8 degrees.
Oh, my goodness.
Very, very hot.
Yeah.
So I think people enjoyed it. However, we do have to wonder if this is breaking a record that lasted 120 odd years. What's next year going to bring? Is it going to be just as hot?
Yeah, exactly. And you may think, oh, but it was pretty hot a couple of years ago too. And if you think that, you're right. Because in 2024, which is just 2 years ago, we saw exactly the same high for April, mid-April. However, the way the system works and the way they record things, they say, is that if you have the same temperature for a month, then the latest one is the one that they consider the highest since 1907.
Sure, okay.
So it's a sort of, interesting way to look at history, I guess. But yeah, that's how it's been recorded now.
Yes, but certainly I don't think it's a coincidence. I don't think it's an accident. I think we're seeing the effects of the climate crisis with Korea getting hotter in April and probably getting hotter again next year and the year after and so on.
네. 자, 어제 기상청에서 나온 데이터인데요. 바로 일요일 날씨에 대한 겁니다. 19일 일요일 같은 경우 정말 더웠죠. 실제로 서울 종로구에서는요, 낮 최고 기온이 29.4도를 기록했는데 4월 중순, 그러니까 4월 11일에서 20일 기준으로는 역대 가장 높은 기온이라고 합니다. 이게 2024년에도 같은 기록이 있긴 했지만 같은 기록이 있을 경우에는 가장 최근 것을 이제 어떻게 보면 역대 1위 기록으로 인정을 해준대요. 그러다 보니까 이제 가장 덥다 이렇게 얘기를 하고 있고 그 다음에 어제는 비가 오면서 날씨가 많이 꺾였어요. 어제는 그렇게 덥지는 않았죠.
But today as well, I don't think it's not going to hit the highs of 29.4, I tell you.
그렇습니다. 4월 전체를 놓고 보면은 일요일 기온이 역대 세 번째로 높았는데 이제 중순 기준으로는 또 이렇게 가장 높았어요. 가장 더웠어요. Let's have a look at shattering records.
Well, we talk about breaking records, and shattering records is going one step further. It's emphasizing the breaking, because when something shatters, it breaks into lots of little pieces.
Is it like glass?
Yes, we talk about glass shattering. So instead of breaking a record, shattering a record, or smashing a record, these are good ways of emphasizing how big it is or how impactful it is.
In Korean, we also say 기록을 깨다. 근데 이 깨다에 해당되는 영어 동사들이 굉장히 다양한 거죠. 그래서 break a record도 되지만 shatter a record 이런 식으로 표현을 할 수도 있는 겁니다. shatter는 조금 더 산산조각이 나는 유리 파편이 튀는 것 같은 이미지의 깨다인데 어쨌든 여기서는 기록을 깼다. 기록을 경신했다가 되겠고요. How about since modern observations began?
Well, we talk about something being modern means it's around now. In this case, we're talking about for the last 120 years or so, modern as opposed to ancient. And observations are, well, examinations. It's looking at something. It's, in this case, recording data.
근대적인 기상 관측 역사상 이게 since modern observations began 이라고 볼 수 있겠죠. Of course, the word weather has been sort of taken out there, but we know it's about the weather.
Yes.
Because we're talking about it in the headline. 그래요. 그래서 서울 낮 최고 기온이 이렇게 굉장히 오랜만에 아주 높게 기록이 됐다라는 소식입니다. 그 외에도 선생님이 얘기해 주신 것처럼 다른 지역에서는 30도까지 오른 지역도 있었습니다. 중부지방 위주로 이렇게 일요일 날 많이 더웠습니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. An unseasonal heat wave shattered previous records across the country, with central Seoul reaching a sweltering 29.4 degrees Celsius, its highest mid-April temperature since modern observations began in 1907. Now let's move on to the next headline.